Hello guys, my name is Matthew, and in today's video I'm going to talk about Samcart, what it actually is, what it costs, and if it's worth it. So, what is Samcart? Samcart is a comprehensive checkout service that helps businesses develop e-commerce storefronts and sell their service online. Facilitating seamless organization growth, the platform enables users to boost conversions, maximize customer value, and optimize their business from a technological viewpoint. Laden with a variety of essential features, Samcart lets users customize their landing pages by incorporating a variety of beautiful designs that reflects their brand and related products. Moreover, seamless integrations with third-party portals like PayPal, ShipStation, MailChimp, HubSpot, Zapier, and more let users connect their profiles and manage essential business tasks from a single destination. Also, A/B testing, advanced reporting, and one-click upsell allow for revenue optimization and more sales. Under Samcart's through fully designed features, smart add-ons, and core business management techniques allow businesses to enhance their customers' user experience. On top of it all, strengthened security procedures and reliable uptime ensure full control and protection over store data and transactions. Samcart is made for all types of businesses, from small, medium to large. You can really get advantage of it. They are located in Austin, Texas, and they are providing very nice support during business hours. If we are about to check the pricings, as you can see, they are offering two options, which is pretty customary, with a monthly plan and annual plan. If you don't want to commit and you don't want to subscribe for 1 full year, you can look at $59 a month, which is per launch option. If you want to incorporate grow option, it's $119 a month, and scale, which is $299 a month. Also, if you decided that the Samcart is the one for you and you are ready to subscribe or commit, there is annual plan, and you can save up to 47%. Starts at $39 a month. For launch, it's 33% off. Then we have and grow option for $79, also 33% off, and scale is up to 47% discount on their plan. And that's about it. Also, you can try it for free. You just get started, for example, with this plan. You'll fill out all the items, but they need the credit card. And that's about it, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Have a great day and goodbye.